At this point, you will have created the head and the ears are sewn onto the head already. The reason why you want to sew the ears on is to make sure your elephant's going to look balanced. And you're going to kind of eyeball the part where you want to have the body or the neck area beginning. I want to start from the very back side of the body, and so I'm going to work around stitching onto directly onto the head, going towards the nose up here, and then going back down in a circle. So I'm going to be crocheting, making single crochets directly onto the head here, and I'm going to make sure I count 8 stitches for my neck. So attaching yarn by pulling through, I'm going to go into under the first stitch and make a single crochet. That's 1. Go into the next stitch, and I'm moving up this direction here towards the nose. Here's 2. Here's 3. And I'm going to do 4 over here. 4. 5. 6. 7 and 8. And let's go ahead and see how that looks. Here I've got the neck area, and I want to make sure it's about even in between the ears. If you want to count exact stitches, you can count from the edge of the ear over. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches. And over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I've got it. And after you do the neck section here, you're going to go ahead and join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. And after that, you're going to continue working along the neck. As usual, work down into the body section. Just wanted to kind of show you how I attach it without any sewing methods to the head. Now, if you find this really confusing and hard to do, the easy way to go around it is to end up sewing. So what you can do instead is make a chain of 8, just normal chain of 8, insert a single or join your chain, then single crochet in each of the 8 stitches, and then slip stitch to join and follow the pattern normally. So that's a way to go around it, but I wanted to show you the no sew method so that you can go ahead and decrease the amount of sewing you have to do. All right, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and happy crocheting. Bye now.